In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Compare Mode in Google Sheets. Start by opening the Google Sheets file you want to review. This works best when you are checking what changed over time, especially if multiple people have edited the same spreadsheet, or if you need to confirm when a specific value was updated. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click the File menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps options related to saving, sharing, and reviewing past edits. In the drop-down list, hover your mouse over Version History. When you pause on it, a side menu will appear with more options. From that side menu, select See Version History. As soon as you click it, Google Sheets will switch you into a view designed for comparing older versions of your file. You will notice that a panel opens on the right-hand side. This sidebar is where you can browse through saved versions, organized by date and time. Now navigate to that right-hand sidebar and click on a specific date and time. When you select a version, your sheet updates to show what the spreadsheet looked like at that moment. Take your time here because the goal is to choose the version you want to compare against your current work. At the bottom of the sidebar, find the option labeled Show Changes and check the box next to it. This is the key setting that turns on the visual comparison. Once it is enabled, return your attention to the spreadsheet itself. Look across the sheet for highlighted cells. These highlights mark the areas that were edited, so you can quickly spot what changed without scanning every row and column. If you are reviewing a large sheet, use the highlights as a guide and scroll steadily to follow where edits occurred. This makes it easier to confirm updates to numbers, text entries, or formulas. When you are finished reviewing, exit Compare Mode by clicking the back arrow in the top left corner. This returns you to the normal editing view of your spreadsheet. That covers everything you need to know.